What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chef Yarneezy, the Pip Master, here with another report on a option trade. Okay, so I'm doing a stock option on AJ, and I put in for a put for 6 minutes. Why did I do that? Because I looked at the time. When I looked at this, it was 12:38 Eastern Standard Time. The candle was here. I looked at the higher time frame to see what the lineup was. Well, look, my EMAs are below. So it looks like it wants to push down at least to come down to my 200 line. I looked at the time, so for currency to start making funky moves, I'd say every 15 minutes just look for a movement change, right? So I pushed it up to the 12:45, so 15 minutes before the hour, right? So I figured 6 minutes would give me enough leeway in here to make my trade and to make it very, very successfully. So if you look at where it is right now, you don't even see my entry, right? My entry is way up here. All right, I entered in at 87.78. It is exactly 4 pips down from where I entered, and I'm looking for it to go even lower. I'm looking for it to come down somewhere in the neighborhood of 80.69. See how much time I got left on this one. So this one is about to expire in a few more minutes. So it should be a-okay for that trade. But I did 6 minutes again just because I saw where this was going. I looked at the higher time frame, which was the 1 hour and the 15 minute, and it told me, hey, it looks like it wants to push down to at least the 236 or the 50. And on the 15-minute chart, it said it looks like it wants to push down to at least, what's that, the 0.5, which is 80.71, or at least the 200. So from the 1 minute standpoint, it looks good to stay down in this region. It did bottom out here in the RSI. So I could have done a shorter time frame. So it should be a buy candle coming up next. Hopefully it's not enough to get way back up here, but it looks like it's pretty good, in pretty good shape uh, to at least stay low enough to win that trade. So again, I'm here, 16:45. I have about a minute left. So I don't see it running back up in that minute. I see it doing a lot of pullback. And let me look at the real candle versus Fibonacci candle. Yeah. So it looked like it looks like it wanted to do like a break and retest type of setup. Now I'm looking for that push down. There it is. And I should get another push down on the next candle, or it will consolidate here, which I'm fine with that as well. Let's go back again. All right, it's nearing my take profit level, right? I'm at 1644.48. My take profit is 1645.06. I do not see it running up because it has no reason to run back up right now. Not like that. Not enough to make me lose the trade. So here we go. And cut. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen, a very successful trade. Again, my entry was way up here, and I got in for a 6 minute put on the AJ, AUD/JPY, Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. And that is how you use your trading view along with, let me turn it back to Fibonacci candles now. Use your trading view along with whatever high frequency account you're using. All right, that's my time. I'm your boy Chef Yarneezy, the Pip Master. Hopefully this has been helpful.